London Trader here, back with a new video. Firstly, thank you for stopping off at my channel. Firstly, if I can ask you quickly to subscribe and hit the bell notification, that really helps me out. Thanks a lot. So today we're going to be talking about Leeloo trading and what they offer. So those of you that don't know, this is a futures funded trader program, and they've got quite a diverse selection of accounts for you to choose from. So let's just have a run through them. Firstly, they have the regular accounts, which are 25, 50, 100, 150, and 250, and up to 300k. Each of those all have very simple rules. You have a profit target and an account trailing drawdown. That is it. You can hold trades overnight during the evaluations, but you require permissions to do so. So basically, if you're just looking to day trade, all you have is an account trailing drawdown and a profit target and a max contract limit. That is it. That's the same for all of them. The Glide micro account, though, that's slightly different. So you've got access to 2 minis or 20 micro lots, 100k account, with a 2k profit target and then a static drawdown of $625. So what that means is, say you make $1,000 on your account, then your drawdown stays at minus 625. So now you actually have $1,625 of drawdown. So that's slightly better for those of you that like to be in slightly longer term day trades where you swing and you might lose a bit, come back, scale a bit out, and so on. So that's a good option for you. And also they've got the Express. This is really good. So it's a 14-day Express, which is actually only 10 trading days. So bear that in mind. You've got 12 contracts with a 6k target, 3k trading drawdown, and that's it. You know, if you think you can make 6k in 10 trading days using 12 minis or 120 micros, this is a good option for you, as it's only $77, so a real bit of a steal on that one. And then the referral fee is what the refund fee you get when you pass the evaluation. Sorry, missed my words there. Resets $85, so some of the cheapest resets on the market. And if you've missed the Cyber Monday deal, don't worry about that. There'll be plenty more deals to come. So the big thing is in the FAQs, really. So if we just take a look at this, qualification phase, evaluation accounts, the usual stuff. Here's the carrying positions overnight, consistency, commissions, resets, instruments. They're just the usual instruments, so it's the CME bundle, so CBOT, CME, COMEX, NYMEX, and here's a list of everything you can trade on here. So yeah, pretty much most of the all of the major futures contracts on there. Position sizing, minimum trading days, and this is a cool one here where you can have multiple concurrent evaluation accounts. So yeah, you can use something like Replicanto on NinjaTrader, and then have one with slightly higher risk or slightly less risk depending on what you want, or you could just trade several accounts, which is pretty cool. The rising trialing max drawdown we've already discussed. Professional and non-professional status, I'm assuming most of you will be non-professional. And the trader performance bit, let's have a little look at that. You just need to keep that in mind. It's part of the performance tab based within Rhythmic Trader Pro. So yeah, nothing too exciting there. The big thing though is what happens when you pass your evaluation account, because then you've got a few options here. So you've got the performance account, which is split into the accelerator or the investor. So this is where your own personal needs and what your individual goal is. If you go for the accelerator, you effectively go into the 100k Glide account, where you've got, regardless of what size account you've done, where you've got the $2,000 profit goal and the max loss of static minus 625. And then once you hit this 2,000 goal, send them an email, and then they'll move the static drawdown up to $100,100, and then that is static again. And now you can just trade as many contracts as you want when you reach the tier threshold, and you can take payouts as soon as you want. So that's a good option for people that want to get quicker payouts. And then you've got the investor, slightly longer term, where whatever account size, for here they've used the $150,000 account, which gives you 15 contracts, you can go straight in and start trading 15 contracts if you want. But you do have the trading drawdown that follows you all the way through to the initial balance plus 100, and then it's static. So what that means is if you've got a 150k account and you make 50k on it, the only way you're going to lose the account is if you lose $49,900. So you get a lot of wiggle room in that, which is really cool. Payouts. So let's go down to the 15k, which is the $150,000 account, the example we've been using. So for the first payout, you have to have 30 active trading days. So that's a month and a half. You need to have a balance of 155,100 in the account, and the minimum amount limit that you can take out is 1,000. So that basically means you need 156,100, and the max amount is 2,000. That's for the first payout. So the second through to the fourth payout is basically every month you need to have 10 trading days. Again, you've got the same rules, so 1,000 minimum, $2,000 maximum. But people might say, well, that means I don't get a big payout until month 5. And that's true. But this is for about long-term growth. And don't forget that if you're trading a 150k account and you're only taking 1,000 out for the first 4 months, you'd have probably built up quite a nice cushion there where you will be able to sort of have a bad day or two and not get kicked out of your account. And that's the benefit of it. And then when you get to month 5, you can obviously take a bigger payout if you want. So they're the two options that they offer. They're quite cool. So quite an interesting sort of company here, really. And there's a few other bits in here, but nothing too exciting, just your connection guides. Again, they use all connections are through Rhythmic. So they give you a NinjaTrader 8 license key, or you can use RTrader Pro. But you can also use any platform that connects directly to Rhythmic. So overall, Leeloo are a pretty cool company actually. I've been funded by them before, and I've got paid out, just follow the rules, and it's a really simple payout system. So if you fancy giving it a go, pop into the description below, follow the link, and sign up, and make sure you trade your edge and trade safe. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.